Yo, what's up guys? Got another unboxing video for you. Same purchase as when I got the new monitor in the last video, but today we've got a bloody...
Fucking you, bloody! Fuck you, bloody! Bastard bitch! You, fuck you! Bloody fuck you, bloody!
I like that the brand name is bloody, like that Indian video of the two Indian guys arguing. But it's the bloody Q81 Neon gaming mouse. Now this mouse isn't very expensive. It only cost 24 New Zealand dollars. It is available in other countries, so it's probably like in US dollars like 15 bucks or something really cheap. But it had pretty good reviews, and I wanted to get a new mouse because I don't know if you can see this, but my current one, like the paint is coming off. That's a really good mouse. I've enjoyed it, but just kind of annoyed that it looks like it's deteriorating. So went and copped this. It looks pretty ergonomic. It's got like that gap in the middle and like a nice wide clicky area, so I'm pretty keen to give it a go, see if it fits the hand well. But yeah, let's go ahead, unbox this thing, test it out, and yeah, see how it goes. Just put it down here, see what the box looks like. Got that side. Got their QR code, not sure what that does. I think it's just their website. It's the front of it, as you saw. Other side with the same sort of information, I think. Yeah, it's just a duplicate. And then the bottom's just got like the barcode and stuff. But yeah, I'll just get my knife and we can open this thing up. Okay, let's go. And with the knife. Put that out of frame. Pull it out that way. Yeah, don't need that. And there we go, that is the mouse. There's some stuff on the back here. Looks like, oh, you get some free stickers. I don't know if I'll put those on my computer, but that's pretty cool. I'll put those to the side. And then you've got here your braided cable, red color for the actual USB dongle, which I like. I've got a few other red features in my PC, so that'll match well with that. Just pull this out and get a feel for the mouse.
Fuck you, bloody!
Okay, so the cable looks pretty good. I see, so these bits here are metal, so that's giving you a little bit extra weight. The weight is, I don't know, about mid-range. I'd say maybe like around 50 grams or something, I'm not too sure. But the important thing, of course, is the ergonomic feel, so let's go for that. Yeah, I do like the finger placement there. The thumb could maybe have a bit more of a lip here, but I think that'll do pretty well. But yeah, I really like that finger placement, so let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it looks like lit up. Test it out. Yeah, should be good. Okay, so I've got this thing plugged in. Hope you can see me here. So yeah, the neons are pretty cool. They're just doing like a rotational sort of effect. Also lights up at the bottom there, which I didn't realize, which is a nice feature. On the sides as well, and all that whole wheel lights up. That's a pretty cool effect. Just test this out and just move the cursor around a bit. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm noticing this side of my hand is like got nothing really to support it. I'll just compare that to my old mouse and see if there's much of a difference. Got the old mouse here, which is just an E-blue. I'm not sure what the model number is, EMS667, but yeah, if I compare it to that one, I guess that's got like a bit of a wider, it's for maybe a bigger sized hand, whereas this, your pinky sort of catches the the lip there that they have on the mouse. But other than that, it's pretty good. Might just take a bit of getting used to, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's do some clicking. Try the scroll wheel out. See here. Yeah, it's pretty good. What else we got? Maybe go into YouTube. Go to your favorite channel. Ooh, turn that down. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I would like to test it with some gaming, but I can't really be bothered like finding a Halo game and getting into that. But yeah, I'll try that out in my own time, I guess. Let you know in the comments how it is for that. Oh guys, there you go. That is the little unboxing and mini review / test of the bloody Q81 gaming mouse. I've used it a bit more and I think it feels pretty good. I really do like the ergonomic click buttons that sort of fit the grooves of your finger. It's just going to be getting used to the side grip for the right hand side of the mouse / where your pinky sits. Might take some getting used to, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. For the price, $24, it's really good. It's got a good weight. It's got a sort of premium feel. I mean, the RGBs aren't customizable, but for $24, you can't really complain. So I totally recommend picking one up if you're on a budget or if you're just a cheapskate like me. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.